sa internet nagkaroon, may mga newspaper clippings sa US.
Saying an airplane being crashed into the World Trade Center immediately caused a flashback to informations I obtained in 1995, and I told that they have done it. So I was really teary-eyed, to be honest, and I don't know what to say. And I woke up my wife and told him that, see, I know that they will be doing this, but I don't know when.
As you discovered them in the mid-1990s,
And I have to visualize, analyze deeply the debriefing informations provided by Murad. But when we discuss his pilot training and other training of some Arab nationals in the U.S., I have reasons to believe that that plan during that time is already in effect and is existing. They are in the stage of preparation. Extremist movements in the Philippines, and the Philippine government during that time allowed the full cooperations with the United States insofar as international cooperations against terrorism. And I know that we have passed that information to our American counterparts. Important lessons I think we have derived from it could have possibly delayed it more because you cannot stop a fanatical group. Maybe you can delay their actions. Maybe before doing their actions, they have to be neutralized. What I mean is if there is really a serious initiative to investigate these informations, what cause afterwards is possibly a delay or possibly neutralizing the people who are supposed to implement the plan.